get something good here. Gotta get some wilds. Oh, look at that. Multiplier's up.
Yeah, but you gotta get it over, Chris.
Come on, give me some wilds in the middle. Oh, wild on the bottom. There's one. Come on. Need some wilds in the middle. Oh, Lee, look at that ×3 multiplier up there.
Oh, but you gotta get him next to him.
I know, I gotta get a wild up there.
You get him next to him, he'll be
Come on. Oh, ×4. That's crazy. Come on, wild in the middle. I need a wild in the middle. Make some big money. Nope, last spin. Come on. Oh, ×3, ×4, ×2.
That sucks though.
Wow, I know. But at least, I mean, I might be able to hit something here.
If you get one, there you go, that's good.
$76 on that one spin.
Only because you got that wild though.
Yeah. $10. See if I can hit a big one here. $39. Come on, wilds, come back. $5. 5 more spins. $17. Come on, wilds. $13. 3 more spins. $34. All right, take it. Keep going. Keep going. Come on, wilds. There you go. $44. All right, one more spin after this. $8. Last one. Come on, big one. Wilds. Nope. $10.
Sweet. I gotta get off.
$274.